Next example, take LHS. LHS is root of 1 plus sin theta sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Okay, see, A plus B into A plus B, which is equal to A plus B whole square. Okay, 1 plus sin A whole square by, see, 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, which is equal to, we know, A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. Okay, here A minus B into A plus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. Okay, here A equal to 1, 1 square minus B equal to sin square A. Okay, 1 plus sin A, root of 1 plus sin A whole square by root of 1 minus 1 square is 1 sin square A. Okay, we know trigonometric identity, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1, cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. Okay, plus sin A whole square by root of 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A. Okay, square root cancel, square root get cancel, which is equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A. Separate these two terms, 1 plus cos A plus sin A by cos A. Okay, 1 by cos A equal to secant A, sin A by cos A equal to tan A. Okay, see, RHS equal to secant A plus tan A. Okay, here we get RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next example, prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, take LHS. LHS equal to sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Okay, here sin theta is common. Numerator sin theta is common. Sin theta into first term is 1. 1 into sin theta minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, 2 sin square theta into sin theta equal to 2 sin cube theta. Okay, next denominator cos theta is common. Okay, cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. We know trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here instead of 1 we write sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, sin theta, 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta by cos theta 2 into 2 cos square theta. Instead of 1 we write sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, minus of sin square theta is minus sin square theta, minus into cos square theta is minus cos square theta. Okay, next it is equal to sin theta into sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Write cos square theta. Sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta equal to minus sin square theta. Okay. 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1 by cos theta. 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. See, cos square theta minus sin square theta get cancelled. Here we have sin theta by cos theta. We know sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay. See, RHS equal to tan theta. Here we get RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS.